The 2016 Dodge Charger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.